Qualified and technically talented workers are getting harder and harder to find and nearly impossible to hire. LearnLab has the perfect solution for this challenging task, and it's fast. Imagine if you could train your existing team members to do more or bring unskilled new hires up to speed quickly and effectively. With LearnLab, you can do exactly that. LearnLab's hands-on training systems include our award-winning applied training curriculum that's available in a standard workbook format, or simply use our exciting online academy. Why is this training so fast? We include exactly and only the information needed to do the job. No frills, no fluff, only the need-to-know stuff. Skills they will use the very first day back on the job. LearnLab has several different training systems to choose from production and maintenance hand tool use, basic electrical wiring, advanced electrical motor controls training, programmable logic controllers, variable frequency motor drives, hydraulic and fluid power systems, mechanical drives and maintenance, air conditioning, refrigeration, and even OSHA-required hands-on safety lockout and tagout training. LearnLab has you covered, and fast. So step on the gas and check out the world's fastest training systems at LearnLab.com.